dives up as we head to the third event of these games. The swimming here in the Paris Olympics. Uzbekistan and France are obviously the two marbles, or two teams rather, that are in the standings. Or top of the standings right now. Can they do anything in this event? Let's find out. And go straight to our first heat of the day, which will include Israel, Canada, France, and Belgium. One of these teams they watch out for. That's third lane with France. And they're in the lead. Can they close to a victory here? So it looks like it, and they will. Belgium. Well, for my eye, will advance with him. Fortunately, Israel could not catch up to him. So, you got that. Here we go. Second heat. Looks like we have Azerbaijan, Denmark, Kenya, and Brazil. Here we go, ready? And Kenya's in front. Here comes Denmark, but now they fall back. But now, who advances here? And that's gonna be Brazil and Denmark. Kenya, they won't let you do bad. Azerbaijan, I cannot say for him, but that was good strategy. Now, third heat: Nigeria, Uzbekistan, Morocco, and South Korea. Watch out for Uzbekistan here. Can they advance? So far, no, they cannot. And they won't. They will fall down to last. And it'll be Morocco and South Korea. South Korea. One of those teams who really needs a good performance. They are desperate for one. Here we go. Egypt, Spain, Philippines, and Pakistan. And we are. And that's Philippines in front. Oh, but they slow down. That's going to cost them the advancement. Egypt and Spain can cruise across the line. Philippines mucked up. They're in a good spot as well. But now, we got Finland, Australia, Vietnam, and of course, Bahamas. Ready? And Vietnam's in front. But here comes Finland down the line with the Bahamas. They will both advance out of this one. Poor for Australia. Not a pretty sign you want to see. But now, Iceland, Jamaica, and India. Who advance here? Looks like that's going to be no, Jamaica. Iceland, not are out. Now, Italy and the United States. Did someone knock out the United States here? Doesn't look like it. No. There you go. Now. Here we go. Spain, Jamaica, Morocco, and United States. Packed it here. And we are off. The United States were in front. And the handoff will go to him. Jamaica. Fortunately, we'll go with him. Morocco and Spain, well, I don't really know what the hell they were doing back there. France, Brazil, Denmark, and Egypt. Can Denmark advance? No, they cannot so far. France is in front. Brazil will come in second. Poor performance for Denmark, who's trying to even get up there. They're in the top half, but they want more. Finland. Alright guys. Finland, Belgium, Bahamas, and South Korea. South Korea, huge lead. But at the end, Belgium and Finland both had South Korea. Have that happened before? Belgium, France. Here we go. Oh, Belgium. Trash the other game. But they make up in the swimming portion. They advance. Jamaica. Brazil. And States. Not the pressure here for the States. Can they advance? Yes, they can. Yes, they can. And now, the fight. There, that happened. Belgium, United States versus France. Jamaica. Who advanced? Who gonna go? And we are off. Oh, Jamaica falls to the course. France is in the lead. Belgium trying to challenge, but it's not gonna be enough. France, Belgium, and United States will capture their medals. The host. Sweet podiums and sweet events. That's what you want to see. United States. Happy with the bronze medal today. Belgium with the silver. This is swimming. Good job to everyone. We'll see you again for the shot put when that comes around. Until then, enjoy your day and we'll see you then.